Hey, I'm Chris, and I'm just going to show you my new sniper rifle, airsoft sniper rifle scope I just got. Okay. The zoom doesn't work because you need something far away for it to work, but it goes up to 9 zoom, which is pretty good. But you just use this knob right here and then twist it and then adjust the zoom. You can zoom up to 9. It goes from 3 to 9, and then it has your rail mounts right there, flathead screwdrivers. And what you have to do is you have to take these off, and then that will adjust the scope like left to right, like that basically. And then the one on the top just adjusts it up or down. Wait a minute, here. Screw that back on. I just adjust it like that. Not a lot, but a good amount. I will be selling these scopes for I can't remember, about $32, $33. It's a really good scope. I mean, like, you can get scopes other places, like for airsoft guns, but they cost like $50 or $60, which is a lot of money for a scope. So yeah, I just put this one on my Super 9, and that is what I use now. It's pretty accurate once you sight it in and everything. So thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe, because I'm trying to build my channel up.